Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on Ulefone Armor X7 Pro. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now select this application and then click install. Now you can click open. And now click this button to skip introduction, and now click open permissions and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then click back and go back to your application and then click start, and here is your ChatGPT widget and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.